My name is Michael McGarry. I work as operations lead at Chamber Space, which works underneath the Greater Manchester Chamber of Commerce. The Chamber of Commerce is a business network that operates in the centre of Manchester. It's the largest chamber in the UK with 4,200 members, and I run the events in the building. The building is Grade 2 listed, which should come with its pros, as in it's a very lovely building to be in. It's got a lot of historical relevance, but it can also come with difficulties when making alterations and changes to it as well. It's four floors, and we have the lease on every single floor. As operations lead, I look after the events that happen in the building. I look forward and plan ahead the events, but I also see the day-to-day operations of the building, so the delivery of stock, building management, building maintenance as well, liaising with the landlord, like organising repairs, organising various maintenance stuff that Construction Linx has been helping us with. The reason that we have come with the Handyman Service is because we were paying through the roof on a job-by-job basis with other companies, which meant that we were quite hesitant to get certain jobs fixed because it was costing us so much. With the Handyman Service, it's a lot easier and a lot more financially beneficial for us because we now have Lee come out every 2 weeks. And whenever he comes, we just give him a long list of jobs that we've got, ranging from paint jobs to changing light bulbs to doing anything, fixing cupboards, all stuff that would have been ignored with our previous provider. We can now get that on through an annual contract, and it's just reliable. Lee knows the building as well, so it makes it very easy. We came across Construction Linx via recommendation. Gareth was very attentive, came to the venue himself a couple of times with Lee, just even before we signed the contract, just to give us an idea of how it would work, just to show us straight away the works and the improvements that Construction Linx could have done. The work that Lee has been doing since he's been coming, it can range from anything really. We have a lot of scuffs and marks that he's been able to sort out, a lot of old signage that was put on the venue throughout COVID or before COVID that's now been taken off the wall, fixing door handles, cupboards, just getting all those little things that don't need like immediate fixing, but it's always good that it's been really useful to have him there and just know that eventually these things are going to get fixed within a couple of weeks. Lee comes every other Monday. He's absolutely brilliant. He knows the venue, very friendly, always comes on time. I don't have a bad thing to say about it, to be honest. He gets everything done, he comes, checks in with us at the end. Sometimes when he gets everything done as well, goes around the venue himself and points out things that we might not have seen. I would massively recommend the Handyman Service with Construction Linx to a lot of builders that do the same as we do. Listed buildings in the city centre, ones that are probably paying on a job-by-job basis, having this security and having someone that knows the building come round every 2 weeks, and it just makes the jobs easier to fix. They understand it, they can build up a stock of what the spare parts that we need, light bulbs, door handles, everything that breaks regularly. It's always, the Handyman Service makes everything a quick fix.